Hi everyone, welcome to Graphic Solution Tricks channel. Today we will show you how to blur video background in Capcut. First, open Capcut. Then import a video. Then again import the same video. Drag it into the timeline as a layer. Then select the layer video. Now click on cutout option. If you click on this icon, you can see the cutout. Then click on the effect option here. Now add the blur effect into the main video. Then you can adjust the blur here. Here is the preview. That's it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our Graphic Solution Tricks channel and click the bell icon for more updates.